What's up everybody, this is Travis with ATTY. Today I'm going to install the ADV kit. This is the Big Baby Beast Light Edition and the Big Baby Beast Original. First thing we're going to do is take apart the Light Edition. We'll unscrew counterclockwise and pop the glass right off. We provide you with 2 stainless steel rings and a 33mm glass piece. You'll just pop each ring on the end of each part of your device, and you'll see that our glass fits right in those rings that we provide. You can see that one side has an indentation and the other side has a pre-installed O-ring. So then you just put both ends together and tighten up your device as normal. And there's the Light Edition put together fully with our all-day vape tank. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the Light Edition next to the original. We're now going to change the original out and put on the all-day vape kit. Again, counterclockwise, pop the glass off, and this time the coil stayed on the chimney, so I'm going to unscrew the coil, put it back on the base, and I usually don't screw this down all the way, just to leave a little bit more room for the chimney to reach the coil when I go to tighten everything together. So I'll put the stainless steel ring on the bottom, put on the glass, put on the other stainless steel ring, and then I'll fit the chimney down to the coil and just start turning that clockwise until it threads properly. And once it's threaded, you're good to go. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the Light Edition and the original. And now I'm just going to fill up the tank. Fill this up at 3 times the normal speed, because it does take a while to fill up these tanks. This is what the Light Edition will look like. It does leave room to light up the tank somewhat. Thanks for stopping by and checking out our products. You can find our website at www.inkedaddy.com. You can also find the link down in the description. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for new products, and even on our webpage we have a submission form where you can submit what you would like to see from us. Thank you and have a wonderful day.